My beloved child, right now stop everything. Put your phone down for just a moment, because what I'm about to tell you isn't random. You were meant to see this today. Not yesterday, not tomorrow. Today. And if you scroll past this in the next 5 minutes, you'll feel it later. A quiet ache in your chest. Like you missed something you can't explain. God has been trying to reach you. Not just today, not just this week, but for months now. He's been whispering your name through thoughts that won't leave, through doors that closed when you expected them to open, through moments when you felt unsettled, even though everything looked fine on the outside. You told yourself it was stress, coincidence, overthinking, but it wasn't. It was him. And today the window is still open, but it's narrowing. Type 444 in the comments right now. Don't wait, don't think about it. Just type 444. This is your agreement with heaven. Your signal that you're ready to stop delaying and start receiving. Do it now. I know why you almost scrolled past this. You've learned to protect yourself by staying distant, by not listening too closely, by numbing your expectations so you don't have to feel the weight of another decision. You've delayed before, many times. You told yourself you'd respond later, when things felt easier, when you had more clarity, when life slowed down. But listen carefully. Later never comes. Easier never arrives. And delay has a cost you don't see until it's too late. You wake up at 3 a.m. staring at the ceiling, restless without knowing why. Small things bother you more than they used to. You second-guess decisions you would have made confidently before. You feel busy but not fulfilled, active but not aligned, moving but not progressing. Something is off and you know it. Deep down, deeper than you admit to anyone. You know something has been asking for your attention, and you keep postponing the conversation your heart desperately needs to have. This isn't punishment. This is what happens when your spirit knows you're drifting from where you're supposed to be. Like this video right now if you feel this in your spirit. Don't wait until the end. Don't think about it. Just hit the like button. This is more than engagement. This is your spiritual agreement. If you haven't liked it yet, stop and do it now. Every second of delay matters. There's a reason clarity feels harder for you than for others. There's a reason simple choices feel complicated, heavy, exhausting. It's not just you. It's spiritual interference designed to keep you confused, to keep you stuck, to keep you from stepping into what you're called to do. But something shifted this morning. A ruling came down. The fog is lifting, the heaviness is breaking, and clarity is being restored right now as you read these words. Pay attention to what you're feeling in this moment. Pressure in your chest. That's not anxiety. That's your spirit recognizing a divine appointment. Heat in your hands. That's activation energy. Tears forming without knowing why. That's your soul releasing years of suppressed knowing. Your body knows truth before your mind can process it. Comment, I will not delay anymore. Right now, type it. I will not delay anymore. This is your declaration, your line in the sand, your agreement with heaven that the season of postponing is over. When you type those words, you're opening a portal, giving permission for what God has been holding back until you were ready. Do it now. Angels are waiting to see who responds. There was a woman who delayed for 3 years. She felt the call. She heard the whisper. She knew what God was asking, but she kept saying later. Later when things are easier. Later when I'm stronger. Later when I have more time. 3 years of later. Then one night she couldn't ignore it anymore. The conviction was too strong, the pull too intense. She typed, I will not delay anymore. And within 5 days, her entire life shifted. The job she thought she lost came back with double the offer. The relationship that seemed dead was resurrected. Clarity she'd been missing for years hit her like lightning. She calls it the week everything changed. There was a man who ignored 11 clear signs over 18 months. Doors closing, people speaking, circumstances shifting, dreams repeating, all pointing to the same thing. But fear kept him frozen. Comfort kept him stuck. Delay felt safer than decision. Then he watched a message like this late one night, and something broke inside him. The wall crumbled, resistance collapsed. He commented, I will not delay anymore. Within 72 hours, circumstances shifted so dramatically that everyone around him asked what happened. Doors opened that had been locked for years. Opportunities appeared that he'd stopped praying for. Favor showed up that he didn't earn. And now he tells everyone, delay costs more than obedience ever will. God is not threatening you. He's warning you. Because he loves you too much to stay silent. Ignoring this moment will not leave you the same. When you turn away again, the first thing you'll notice is subtle. Clarity will fade, not all at once, but gently, quietly. What once felt clear will start to feel uncertain. Peace will become fragile. Direction will become harder to sense. You'll still move forward, still function, but movement will feel less purposeful. You'll be busy without fulfillment, active without alignment. This happens not because God withdraws, but because prolonged distance dulls your ability to recognize His voice. The urgency you feel right now is not pressure. It's the call to respond while the door is open, while clarity is available, while grace is near. Timing matters because some doors don't stay open indefinitely. What's available now may not be available later in the same way. You're ready now in ways you weren't before. Your questions have changed, your prayers have matured, your awareness has sharpened. This message couldn't come earlier because you would have misheard it. It can't wait now because you're finally able to receive it fully. God is not asking you to fix everything. He's not asking you to have all the answers. He's asking you to stay, to listen, to open your heart just enough to let Him speak. Subscribe and ring the bell right now. When you subscribe, you're positioning yourself for the next wave of clarity that's coming. Your breakthrough depends on staying connected to what heaven is releasing. Share this video with 2 people right now. God just brought them to your mind. You know exactly who they are. One of them is in the same season of delay you're coming out of. The other needs this message today because their breakthrough is connected to your obedience. Don't overthink it, just do it. May clarity flood your mind until confusion becomes impossible. May decisions come with peace instead of anxiety. May direction announce itself so clearly that doubt has no room to speak. May every door that's supposed to open swing wide before you knock. May opportunities chase you instead of you chasing them. May favor precede you into every room you enter. May financial breakthrough hit you so suddenly you have to check twice. May provision come from sources you never expected. May healing manifest in your body. May strength return. May pain leave. May your family line shift because you stopped delaying. May generational patterns break. Your 7 days starts now. Clarity is coming, doors are opening, direction is establishing, breakthrough is manifesting, and you will never be the same again.